Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you some ideas of a way to use one sheet of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. Let me show you what all you can make for your junk journals out of one piece just by the way you cut it. You can make a large tag, you can make a small tag, you can make a medium tag or a pocket. I'm going to make this one into a pocket. You can make this triangle pocket where you can see it's got a pocket here. You could put something behind it, and it also has a pocket down here. And you can make this cute little envelope that opens on both sides and has a little pocket here and here on both sides, plus it has this little pocket right here in the middle. So let's see how we're going to do this today. And this is just one of many ways that you can do it. But I have a 12 by 12 sheet of not cardstock. You can use cardstock. This is just regular scrapbooking paper. And I'm going to cut it at... Okay, I wanted to cut it at 6. I did not cut it at the right place. So you want to cut it in half at 6 inches. That is right there. Okay, now I've got two pieces that are 6 inches. They still don't look even, do they? But they are. Okay, good deal. All right, now I'm going to take one of these guys and I am going to cut it at 4 inches. And I'm going to cut it at 2 inches. And I'm going to cut what's left, which is a 6, in half at 3. So that's going to give me 2 3s. Okay? Then the other piece, I am going to cut it in half exactly. Let me get it right this time. At 6 inches. So I have two 6-inch squares. Okay? Now, this is, like I said, just one of many ways you can do this. For these guys, what I did, I took my two 3-inch pieces and I put them back to back and I just stitched them. That is this one. I rounded my corners and I just stitch it. But if you have double-sided cardstock or double-sided paper, you don't have to necessarily do that. But so that's what I would do with that one. This guy right here, all I did was fold it in half this way, and then I stitched around it and I rounded my corners, and that just made a small tag. Now these are ready to embellish, so you can do anything in the world you want to with them. This guy, all I did was fold this in half that way, since it's not double-sided, and then I stitched the top, and then I just stitched around, and all I did was make a pocket. Okay, pretty simple. So that makes that. Now these two, this is where you get to have a lot of fun. I love these guys. This is fun to do. I'm going to fold this one in half because I kind of need to see where that halfway mark is. See that mark right there? And then we are going to fold, and there's lots of different ways you can do this fold also. It doesn't have to be this way. This is just one of the ways that I do. And then fold it again so it's there. Now this guy, fold it back over that, but don't make it butt up exactly. Give it just a 1/4 of an inch or so. Just back it up slightly, and I'll show you why. We're going to tuck that one in, and see, that gives us a little flap. I mean, that kind of makes it easier to put your stuff in and take your things back out. Now this is what we're making. So now we've got this little bottom pocket, and all I did was fold this little piece up like that. Then I went to my machine and I unfolded it and I stitched across here, and then I folded this back and I stitched across here, and then I folded that back. So that would have stitching, that would have stitching. Then I just went and stitched this corner and this side together to create that one. Now let's do the envelope with the two sides. I actually did one of these once. It's a little bit bigger than this, and I put little miniature stationery pieces here and little miniature matching envelopes here, and then I put a tag in here that matched, but you can do anything in the world you want to. This is a fun fold to do. All you do, fold it in half point to point, fold it in half the other way, but don't fold it. I mean, don't seal it. Just kind of bump that point. You're just looking for a marker. You just want to make a marker there. And then we are going to fold this in on that. See where my center point is? That's what I did. I just made a center point. Then bring this one in, point to point. Okay. Now we're going to fold it in half on that fold line that we had previously made. So you should have this so far. Okay. So we fold that in half, and then all you have to do is fold your little flaps down like so. Flip it over and fold this little flap down. And you could score that ahead of time if you wanted to. And then all I did here was stitch. I usually pull my flaps up out of the way just to make sure I don't accidentally catch them. And I just stitch here and here, and then fold it down. And you've got your pocket, you got your pocket in the middle, and you don't have to stitch any of this if you don't want to. You can just glue it. So anyway, that's just one of the many, many things you can do with a 12 by 12 sheet. Stay tuned, there's more to follow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.